meron tayo ditong profits na 28 USDT. And then confirm. Mapupunta na siya dito sa my bots. I guess so today bibigyan ko lang ito ng pinaka-refresher, no, itong app na ginagamit natin. Binigyan ko ito ng perspective during 16 cents yung kanilang pinaka-utility token, just like BNB na pwede mong gamitin dito sa kanilang application. At the same time, you can lower yung trading fees mo dito at can also participate dun sa mga potential project. You can also earn daily if meron kang holdings, lagay mo lang siya dun sa pinaka-earn tab. And share ko din dito guys yung pinaka step by step, yung mga rewards. Meron din ditong airdrop, AI, and kung paano ako dito nag-earn. And I think, on opinion, this is the best time to position yourself just to capture yung pinaka upcoming bull market. So today pag-uusapan natin yan, as well as yung kanilang BGB dito. Pero before tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. Gamit yung cellphone, we can access itong application na to, Bitkit yung pangalan. Yung official link ay ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na to or sa pinned comment, no. So para mapuntahan nyo and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online, as well as to claim the rewards and to lower yung pinaka-trading fees, no. So, nandito ako sa my home tab. Nakapagpa-verify na rin ako dito using my voter's ID. And it depends pa rin ito guys sa inyo if you run through verification. I'm just share lang dito ng potential, benefit, pina-strategy ko dito as well as other maybe option to trade or to get some rewards, no? And then again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you got some ideas dito. I share my experience dito as well as feedback from community. Mga comment is that we answer naman yan guys. So dito sa home, if you downloaded itong pinaka-app, meron ditong application naman sa iOS as well as sa Android. So naka-light mode ako dito. Kung gusto mo na gawing dark mode is that punta ka lang dito sa upper left corner dito. Select mo lang itong icon na to, itong profile icon na to. Click mo lang siya. And then dito sa taas, you can see moon. So that means na ida-dark mode mo siya. Select mo lang siya. Ayan. Pwede mo naman siya ibalik sa light mode guys, no, if gusto mo siya i-light mode, select mo lang siya. Itong sun icon na ito. Meron ditong rewards, coupons, promotions, and Web3, no. So, yung pinaka-UID mo, makikita mo naman dito. And pagkatapos nyan, balik ka lang dito. So, naka-dark mode na ako dito, guys, no. And upon observation, kahit beginner, intermediate, or pro trader ka is that you can access or use naman itong application na to, no. As we can see, ito nga, meron silang spin and airdrop, no. Isang airdrop for BGB, WLD, as well as kay Starknet and Pixel, no. So itong si Pixel guys, bigyan ko din ng perspective maya-maya kasi meron akong AI bot ni Pixel dito, papakita ko din sa inyo. Pero for now, discuss muna natin yung pinaka token nila dito, which is yung BGB na nagkaroon na nga ng all-time high. So select ko lang itong pinaka discussions na ito. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano i-claim yung rewards. So if you created an account, yung nakalagay sa description ng video na to, tas pinned comment, you can also get 3 BGB. And as we can see nga dito guys, itong BGB is that kaka all-time high lang. As mentioned dito, nag-surge siya ng 77%, surpassing 1 USDT and emerging as one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies, ranking among the top 100 by market capitalization. And on my own opinion guys, during bull market, one of the narrative is yung mga exchange tokens due to volume increase, liquidity increase, dahil sa pagkakaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo ng certain crypto assets. There are some institutions coming in and exchange tokens will be utilized guys, no. But then again, not financial advice, this is just my own perspective. I've been watching that since few years dito sa crypto space. I did not guarantee. Yeah, just make sure to do further research pa rin dito guys, no. As mentioned, itong si BGB, I just shared this coin nung nasa 16 cents back in 2022. So ito yung pinaka details guys, no. You can just check this out and balik muna tayo dito. So we can also check dito sa markets yung BGB. So nasa markets, tapos spot, search ko lang dito si BGB. Ayan. So ito yung pinaka native token or utility token nitong platform ni Bitget guys, no. So if we can see dito, yung price action niya is that andito na sa 99 cents, no. And umabot siya ng 1.15 in USDT. So sa weekly, we can check as well. Yan yung pinaka price action. Monthly, ito yung pinaka-monthly niya, around 2022. Binigyan ko to ng perspective, around 16 cents. And as of now, nandito na yung price action. Medyo mataas na rin guys, no? Please be careful pa rin. Kasi 16 cents, just like BNB, is that nagkaroon din ng pagtaas ng presyo. It depends yun sa mga developments. You should always consider pa rin yung risk and reward dito para magkaroon kayo ng informed decisions. Not only the reward, but please make sure to consider yung pinaka-risk. No? So, risk management is very important. For me, own opinion ko lang, this is potential. As mentioned kanina, yung mga exchange tokens, if the market is going to the upward trajectory, isa ito sa naapektuhan talaga ng price movements to the upside, no? So this is a potential, and from the past couple of months, no, last year to date, is that for example 2023 to 2024, if we observe in past couple of months, is that nagkaroon pa siya dito ng pagtaas ng presyo from around 39 cents to 1.1 USDT. So we'll see kung ano yung magiging price movement nitong si BGB guys, no. So on my end, this is potential, and yun, BGB, we'll see kung paano magmamaterialize itong price action niya in the next coming month for the upcoming bull market as well. Let's go back dito. Cancel muna natin siya. Punta tayo dito sa home. As mentioned guys, BGB, ang daming features, no? Pwede mo siya gamitin for launch pool. You can lower yung pinaka trading fees as well. Also earn as passive income for, say for example, staking or other earned products dito. Pwede rin siya for voting rights on the platform, no? So for now, punta muna tayo dito guys sa rewards. Check natin yung rewards. You can just feel free to create an account lang dito guys, no? You can check kung ano yung rewards din sa end niyo. Meron ditong plus 10 points daily, merong pinaka daily check-in. So if mahilig ka sa airdrop tapos gusto mo lang dito mag daily check-in, you can definitely download this application guys, no? So daily check-in, nakapag check-in ako dito day 1. So tomorrow naman merong plus 5. Meron pa ditong mga task, so we can close this one. Meron ditong plus 10 points, plus 10 points. Yung mga points guys, we can just redeem that para maging USDT guys, no? So say for example, if you have 700 points, that's 7 USDT. 3,000 points, that's 30 USDT. 10,000 points, 100 USDT. Yan yung pinaka trading bonus, which is you can use on futures. And then if nagka-profits ka, you can just claim and withdraw yung pinaka-profits mo, no? So marami pa dito. You can just check this out guys. Click na tayo dito. Discuss din natin dito guys yung pinaka bots, no? Mamaya discuss natin yan, pero punta muna tayo dito sa may staking tab. Select muna natin to, and marami dito mga option we can use, no? So say for example, itong si DYM, merong 23%, yan yung pinaka APR. Kahit nag-hold ka dyan, is that meron ka pang na-earn, no? Say for example like Osmo, 8%, Ethereum as well, and marami pang iba dito guys, no? So ito yung pinaka features niya na staking. And then again guys, meron pa ring risk sa staking, no? If ever na bumagsak yung presyo or nagkaroon ng exploit doon sa pinaka-bridge, sa pinaka-network, doon sa delegators, is that pwede siyang magkaroon ng losses or pwede kang malos, no? So that's the disadvantage of the staking, no? So for now, punta muna tayo dito sa pinakababa. Meron din siya ditong copy trading as well, reward center yung kanina. If you created an account, nagpa-verify, tapos I think if you have some assets dito, you can also claim yung 3BGB guys, no? Just make sure lang to use yung official link natin na nakalagay sa pinned comment or sa description ng video na to. So dito pala guys sa may candy bump, para siyang may pagka-launch pool na airdrop something. Meron kang BGB, you can participate dito. So say for example, access natin siya. So meron na siya ditong pinaka projects, 49 projects and airdrops na as we observe dito. So we can also check yung pinaka details. Meron ditong mga option na you can participate guys. So registration, ticket allocation, tapos yung pinaka timeline ng airdrop dito guys. Dami pa dito mga projects na tapos na. So say for example, si Pixel ata na feature din dito. Ayan, so tapos na itong si Pixel, ended na. So balik muna tayo dito. Punta tayo dito guys sa may bots, no? Scroll mo lang going to the left, tapos makikita mo naman to. So check natin dito kasi I have bots. So punta lang dito sa my bots. Ayan. So, meron ako ditong profits for Pixel. Meron din ako dito kay Mavia. It's better as well na negative ito kasi may mga videos tayo na meron tayong profits kagad, pero it's better na merong negative dito para mas maintindihan natin dito yung pinaka-risk. So, dito spot grid ito, meaning walang pinaka-liquidation dito, pero pag bumagsak yung presyo, is that magkakaroon ka ng negative profit, no, as we can see dito. So, for Mavia, let's check dito yung pinaka-chart niya, bakit siya naging negative. So, we can check sa 15 minutes. Nagkaroon siya ng pagbaba ng presyo, pero inline pa naman yung pinaka-grids ko doon. So, balik muna tayo dito ulit. Dito guys, makikita mo yung pinaka-details nung grid profit mo, as well as kung kailan mo siya ginawa, no? So, dito sa pinaka-details, makikita mo dito yung pinaka-parameter mo. Kung gusto mo na siya i-terminate, makikita mo naman dito yung pinaka-button ng terminate. So, yung runtime, kung kailan mo siya in-open. Yung price range as well, ito yung pinaka-price range ko, 4.6 to 15 USDT. If ever man na bumagsak pa to, pwede ako maging negative dito. Pero if ever na magkaroon siya ng upward move, tumaas yung presyo, tapos na-hit yung maybe around 8 USDT, that meron ako ditong profits, no? So, downside guys sa spot grid is that if ever na magkaroon ng pagbaba ng presyo yung isang asset na napili mo, no? So, that's for Mavia USDT. Balikan naman natin yung sa nating position dito. This is for Pixel USDT guys. Ito, on my end, kahit papano, meron ng mga bot or AA trading bots dito na ginawa before, is that majority naman doon is profitable. Pero meron ding mga risk, merong mga talo tayo. I think that's normal naman, but make sure to understand yung pinaka-risk management as well as risk and reward dito, kasi it's crypto pa rin, it's volatility, and volatility composed ng risk as well as the reward guys, no? Make sure you understand that. And then again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for friends, doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito, no? So ito, 2 hours pa lang to, pero sa spot grid kasi to guys. And sa spot grid, since wala siyang liquidation, medyo mabagal lang yung earnings mo dyan. Check natin yung pinaka-details dito. And ito yung pinaka-price range ko, 0.52 to 0.68. And I think yung number of grids ko ata dito, more or less, nasa 60. Tapos 45 USDT ata dito yung pinaka-minimum. Pero nag-add lang ako dito ng 138 USDT, no? Simple as that for the bot. Automatic buy and sell. And balik muna tayo dito. And bigyan ko lang siguro dito guys ng pinaka-ideas or perspective. So, punta lang dito sa may dashboard. Tapos dito sa spot grid guys, no? So, kung gusto mo naman, pwede ditong mag-copy. Sa bot copy lang. And then you can just check. Say for example, itong Ethereum USDT, pero it's on futures na ito. So, andito yung pinaka-price. Meron din ditong mga free. So, say for example, ito. So, you can just click this one. Tapos, andito na yung pinaka-trading pairs as well as yung strategy types guys, no? So, simple as that. Muna tayo dito. Tapos, create bot. So, if you want to create bot, for example, spot grid, ito lang dito. Tapos, search mo lang dito sa taas. For example, BGB. Ayan, pwede yan. You can also select dito and deploy. Ito, pwede to. So, for example, yan. Automatic na ito. Magsiset ka na lang ng pinaka-asset balance mo. And use this as strategy, no? So, simple as that. You can also do manual. So, yung ginawa ko kay Pixel is manual, no? So, say for example, so BGB USDT, say for example, 0.68, tapos 1.5, the number of grids, maybe 68. Andito yung pinaka USDT na kailangan mo. Say for example, 60 USDT. Just double check yung pinaka details. Profit per grid, makikita mo naman dito. And then itong normal guys, if ever na magkaroon ng pagtaas ng presyo, you get profit. Sa reverse naman, if ever na bumagsak yung presyo, is that magkakaroon ka ng profits na. Itong reverse is that isa sa mga magandang features kasi meron ka ditong option kahit pabagsak yung market. Neutral naman, if ever na sideways yung market, nagkakaroon ng consolidation, is pwede mong gamitin to, no? So, say for example, you can set as well dito sa advance ng pinaka-take profit. So, say for example, 1.8, tapos SL mo dapat mas lower doon sa sinet mo na 0.68. Hindi tayo dito ng 0.67. Then, create order lang. Confirm. And then, confirm. Mapupunta na siya dito sa my bots, no? So, simple as that lang dito. As an example, again guys, I just demo lang dito. make sure you understand yung pina-risk and reward dito, no? So, back muna tayo dito. Meron din dito sa may trade option, just like other futures, is that if you are experienced trader, you can utilize yung futures dito, yung mga pro trader, yung mga may idea na talaga in crypto space. Meron tayo ditong profits na 28 USDT. Kay Ethereum, meron din tayo dito 0.786. Meron tayo ditong negative. Yeah, as mentioned, if you are experienced trader, guys, you can just utilize itong features nitong si futures, guys, no? And sobrang risky ito kasi merong pinaka-liquidation. If ever na mahit yung liquidation mo, pwede ka magkaroon ng losses dito, guys, no? So, make sure you understand yung risk dito in crypto space. So, I just share my experience lang naman dito, other alternative, as well as other options on earning crypto dito, guys, no? Itong sa app na ito kasi, for example, if you are using a particular app tapos meron dito sa app na to na wala dun sa ginagamit mo, is that you can just browse itong application na ito, guys, no? Yun, you can just feel free to create an account lang. Nasa description naman ng video na to yung pinaka-official link. Sa pinned comment, lalagay ko na lang din. Yun lang for today, guys. Hope you get some ideas dito. Hope you learned something today. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.